Hello, in this video we will see how to download and install Python, the latest version of the Python, and we will also run the first program. So let's start. First of all, go to the browser and here search for Python, download and click the enter button and go with the first website, that is the official website of the python.org, and navigate to the download section, and you can see here is the latest version of the Python 3.12.5. click on this to download, and the download has been started here. So this is the file of 25 MB. So now after downloading, you can see here is the installation prompt has been opened here. So check this add python.exe to path and click on the customize installation. Okay, after clicking on this customize installation, you will see some features like pip command, that is the Python package, and the IDLE Python test suite, py launcher. So these are the optional features. After click on the next, and after clicking on the next button, you will see the installation button. So in my case, I have downloaded it already and installed in my system. That's why I am not going to do this again. So you have to install this first. After installing, open the cmd command prompt to verify that Python is installed or not. Write here py double hyphen and then version. So see, in my system Python has been installed and the current version is 3.11.2. okay, now type the py command and you will navigate to the IDLE in the command prompt, and here you can directly run any Python program. Like I am using print command, and run this. So after using print command, you can see whatever you have inserted in the two string, in the two inverted comma, this is basically string, and the output is here hello Python. You can add a number also. See, so these are the basic steps that you can follow, and after installing the Python, you can run the program. Now you can search for IDLE, and here you can run any program directly. I am writing the same. So see, the output is here. Again running a program. See, so these are the features. You can also see the pip version. Okay, because we have installed the optional features, type here pip and the version. So see, the currently version of the pip is 24.1.1. okay, I think you got it, that how to install Python and run the first program. So thanks for watching this video. Let's see in the next video with the new topic.